I'm here because I'm one of 4 people who were in the hallway that day,
Right.
and I'm here to tell you what I saw.
And you've been, I'm sorry, go ahead.
And I'm just flabbergasted by the allegations
Fair.
that don't seem congruent with what I saw that day.
Right. On how many occasions did you speak with the attorneys from the defense
In person or over the phone?
combined?
In person once, twice, including today. Over the phone 3 times.
What did you talk about that was so important 3 different times?
They wanted to know what I knew. They wanted to see if they could get a hold of Tiara, who no longer works at our practice. That's the nuts and bolts.
Okay. You are a licensed gynecologist in the state of California since 2007?
Yes,
In your field, your specialty deals with below the waist, correct?
yes.
What is the reason you would think to look at Emani Ellis's face when you have 2 people that are yelling at each other with someone in between? Was there a reason that you were specifically at that time looking at Emani Ellis's face to tell us whether there was a scar, a cut, or anything to her face?
When at that moment, she was closer to the elevator. There probably was about 3-4 feet between the 2. And I got between her and them. And the elevator was directly behind her. So I was making direct eye contact to try to be as assertive as I could.
Okay. Isn't it true that you don't remember what you ate a week ago? Fair?
Objection, Assisted.
This incident happened 2,741 days ago, 7.5 years ago. You agree?
Correct.
In those 7.5 years, did you take any notes of what happened on the date of the incident?
I did not.
Okay. So everything you're telling us right now, from 7.5 years ago, is from your memory of what occurred, correct? And
Correct.
having all these conversations with defense counsel maybe help refresh your recollection, correct?
No.
No?
The majority of solidifying it in my brain over all these years is partially because the people who were involved in it, who were there that day in my office, would recount the story from time to time. And it was a very vivid memory and interaction.
Okay. When you got there, Tiara Malcolm, your receptionist, was already outside, correct? Okay.
Yes.
Are you aware that Tiara Malcolm and even Cardi B have testified that for 40 to 50 seconds, you and Tiara Malcolm were not there? Are you aware of that?
Objection is characterized as the testimony.
I would guess it was shorter than that, but if their recollection is 40 to 50 seconds, I mean, as long as it takes me to go down the hallway and out into the hall, the type of yelling that was taking place was alarming, and so it was like, get there right away. I can't give you an exact time frame, but it wasn't more than 40 to 50 seconds.
Fine. And aside from Cardi B, do you service other celebrities?
I do.
Many different ones?
Over the years.
It's your impression, well, strike that. It's important to you to help Cardi B in this case so you can continue to receive celebrity clients, correct?
It's very important for me to tell what happened that day and to ensure that anybody coming to my office, celebrity or not, doesn't have that type of experience.
Understood. But you had not gotten there until after many things occurred between the two of them, correct?
Objection calls for speculation. Explanation.
Sustained.
Earlier, you testified that you saw Emani Ellis hit your receptionist.
Yes,
You remember seeing that?
yes.
How come your receptionist didn't say that?
Objection.
Sustained.
Are you aware that your receptionist who was facing Emani Ellis did not say that?
Objection.
Are you aware of that at least?
I'm not aware of that.
Did your receptionist ever tell you that Emani Ellis hit her?
Yes, in the recollection of everything back and forth, and then she had a thing on her forehead.
Right.
It was very apparent to me that no hits landed on anybody else except for her,
Okay.
my receptionist.
And your receptionist specifically told you that Emani Ellis hit her, correct?
I saw it.
I understand. But did your
I
receptionist
don't know
tell
that she
you?
remembered it. I mean, I don't. Everyone's adrenaline was kind of elevated, and once we kind of recounted, there's some background as well. We had an attorney visited our office a few times in the weeks after the incident, inquiring what happened and various things, leaving a business card. So we talked about it a lot, and I think we both concluded that the only one who was smacked was her.
Did that receptionist make any type of claim against Miss Emani Ellis?
No.
Why not?
Objection calls for speculation.
Sustained.
In your declaration, you state that on one occasion, plaintiff's counsel left a business card. I'm the plaintiff's counsel. Did I leave a business card in your office?
Objection, Your Honor.
Do you know, I withdraw the question. Do you know if I left a business card in your office?
Objection calls for speculation.
Overruled.
You personally, I do not. It was a male, dark hair, darker beard, and a different receptionist got the business card, who wasn't working that particular Saturday. And I think at one point I came out on a different occasion when this person was came to the check-out desk, not the check-in desk, on a different date, and I said, you need to leave.
Okay. The declaration that you signed yesterday, have you read it?
It was read to me.
Okay.
Your Honor, withstand objection.
Sustained.
Can you look at the photograph in front of you on the left side?
Could you identify it to counsel, please?
Do you see the photograph?
Can you identify for the record, counsel?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I don't remember the exhibit number, but it's a photograph of Cardi B from 2018.
Your Honor, it's exhibit 232.
Thank you.
Okay. For the record, exhibit 232. You see the photograph?
I do.
Are you aware that this photograph was taken on February 18th of 2024, which was 1 week before
Objection,
the
Your Honor.
incident? Are you aware of that?
Objection, Your Honor.
Sustained.
Do you know when this photograph was taken?
Objection, Your Honor.
Overruled.
No, but it probably was around the time of the incident, I would guess.
And, may I have it back, sir? If you look at the fingernails, since you're a fingernail man, if you look at these fingernails in the photograph, and sorry, I wasn't trying to be rude, I'm just making a joke, if you don't
Fine.
mind. The fingernails that are in this picture, are these the same fingernails that Cardi B was wearing when she entered your office on the date of the incident?
I think so.
Are you sure?
I didn't memorize them, but I know that they weren't 3-inch long with a spear at the end.
But you're not sure if these are the same fingernails, correct?
I believe they are.
Was Cardi B's hair this way when she came to your office, the same way in this photograph here?
Objection, relevance.
Sustained.
Scope.
Was Cardi B dressed this way when she appeared in your office?
Objection, relevance.
Sustained.
Scope.
When you came out into the hallway, did you hear Cardi B yelling profanities at Miss Ellis?
Yes.
What were some of the words, without going into detail? The F word? The B
F's
word?
and B's and all of it.
So both sides were yelling at each other?
It was an epic yelling match.
Okay. And when you heard this epic yelling match, it was so loud that you heard it while you were inside of your office? Is that correct?
There's an additional hallway in between the main hallway and the office I was sitting in. And all the way at the south side of the building. Yes, took a lot of energy for me to hear it.